Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Been a long time again, but we know what day it is. Today the cohorted box came, we're opening it together. Haven't opened it at all. I do not even know what is in this box. But while I was waiting, I was thinking, I like a little idea thinking about maybe I could start making some videos where I do like some exercising, kind of like doing power moves with like cardio, if anyone's interested in that kind of thing. I might have to do that once a week. I do go to the gym, so it's like it would be like extra on top of what I'm doing. So anyway, let's get back to this. So cohorted box, open it up. I do not know what's in here. Ooh, and it is the December one. Obviously, December. We'll have a look at that in. We'll have a look at that in a minute and see how much this stuff is worth. Right, so put on there. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to come across is this, because it's quite big. And it says it's called, these names, really? Sasha Juan, is it? I don't know. Anyway, it is body wash and it says spicy citrus and it's 300ml. Oh, that does smell nice. Really nice. Nice warm baths at this time of year when you're cold. Okay, so the second item is quite small. And it is a two-faced item. I don't even know what this is. Oh, a lipstick. I'm not sure if this is like full size or like a miniature. But it looks quite small. And the next item that we have got is a Cover FX Perfect Pencil Crayon. There is something in here that like looks good, but it's just I don't know if I'm going to use it. Which kind of sucks. But anyway, so a light pencil. I wonder if it's for like, yeah, I'm guessing it's doing like contouring and stuff in here. Oh, but you can highlight your like brow with it. See that? It's quite light. So yeah, I could definitely use that. And the next item is a Stylo Surface Waterproof Longwear Eyebrow Pencil. Now, I don't know if it's going to be dark enough for me because I like my eyebrows to be quite dark, as you can tell. So I don't know if this is going to be actually dark enough. Let's have a look. It's quite hard as well. It's like, I don't know, it's not much going off. I don't think this is going to be dark enough for me, to be fair. It's there. But for me, it's like I like them quite dark, so I don't know if that's going to be building up, if you build it up or anything, but I don't know. That just doesn't seem dark enough for me. And the last item, which I'm most probably never going to use, is this. Beverly Hills Anastasia Contouring Kit. I don't use contouring kits. Obviously, it's a great item. They're not cheap or anything, but I'm not going to use it. But we'll have a look anyway, because, you know, it is what it is. Oh, it's nice. It is nice. But like I said, to me, this is pretty useless. I ain't going to use it. But there you have it. I'm guessing, I don't even know what these are. Do you know what? I'm looking at this and just thinking, like, what even are these tones for? Because I don't even know. But it's like a creamy one. I mean, can you use that as like a blush? Anyway, so that's what's in the box. Kind of a bit disappointed because it's not stuff I'd like, but you know, they've got to, I suppose they've got to do it for everybody, so not everyone's gonna like the box. Anyway, the box value is £120. The body wash retails at £22. Then we have the Too Faced lip cream. I'm guessing it's like a smaller version of it, but it does say it's like £10. Naked Dolly. Didn't actually swatch that, did I? Might do that in a minute. Cover FX Perfect Pencil Concealer. Oh, it's concealer. See, I thought it was like a highlighting pencil for your eyebrows. Oh well. Anyway, and it retails at 16. And then we have the waterproof pencil for your eyebrows, which I'm most probably not going to use either because it's not dark enough. And that retails at £30. I don't know about that. I won't pay £30 for that, to be fair. And then last but not least, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Cream Palette in medium. and that retails at £42. So for anyone that's like really highly into doing contouring and stuff, this box is amazing. But for me, it kind of sucks a little bit. But you know, like I said, some boxes I like better than others. It's not as if I can't use any, you know, any of it. This is the colour. So look what this looks like. It's quite creamy. See, I don't really wear lipsticks. I wear like liquid lipsticks because they dry matte. I prefer them that way. So they stay on. But anyway, some okay items. Not for me, this one, to be fair. But it's still a great box. Anyway, if you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And please don't forget I'm here.